Hello, cat lovers. It's birthday today. Here is Drake. We're gonna go to the veterinary clinic for their annual exam. Yes. Now he stopped meowing. Earlier he's been meowing. Oh, there he is. Yeah, playing pity pity. My baby, you're fine. I wanna make sure you're both healthy. All right, let's go. Let's go. We're ready.
As ready as the
Daddy's carrying Drake, and I'm gonna carry Ting Ting. Okay. There's Drake now. Your dad. I'm taking Tinker. She is. Right, I'll be back, guys. We are here, guys. My baby's with dad. They're calm, more calm with dad. Here in the vet center. Oops, sorry. There is Tinker. And there is Drake. We'll be back. There's a lot of accessories here. They have the collar and leashes. This is big. This is for the dog. There's some more there. They also have lots of dog foods and cat food. And medicine. Very nice place. They also have more food right there, and my baby there. Receiving area is here. There's a lot of toys, dog toys. More medicine here for the pets. Lots of foods for cats. Over here, look at that painting, so nice. And that one is nice too. Oh, this is cool. We also have toy for kids. Look at this one. Med wear. Clothes. And there's a lot of pet book. It's for kids. Coloring book. Very nice. We're just waiting for our time here. My baby's looking at me right there. And Ting Ting right there. My both babies. And we have a receptionist here. A little baby here. Hi, bud. Or mama. Hi. Oh, he is sleeping. He is out.
Didn't realize they were there.
We have a furry receptionist here. Who didn't know? I did also notice you there. So cute. Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh, you're so bad. Hi, baby. He's shy. We just lay down there, warming up by the computer. Very cute. Hi, baby. Nice. Cute, cute.
That should be a little less. All right. That's right here. Okay. Okay. Here. Let Dad drop.
She's the come on. It's okay, bud. There's Drake. Keep on meowing. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
And she's lost some weight, but she still ups and chases him around, and he chases her around. But even though she is daddy's girl though at night. Dad gets in his recliner, gets comfortable, and she's up on top wanting to be petted and held, and don't you?
Everybody gets to be demanding, don't they?
Yes, they do.
I think I know it. You just look and listen a little bit.
Harness.
Yeah.
But she's been not wanting to go out as much. She just prefers to stay in the house and relax.
It's getting colder out too, maybe.
But even during the summer, she hasn't really been. He goes out pretty much every day.
Yeah.
Walks around the yard, sniffs, and gets mad when he smells something different that's not his, and hisses and
Like
growls.
this
And
damn squirrel
yeah,
or something, rabbit or something.
other cats in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is my turf. Do they tend to react to other cats through the window? Or
Oh,
see them?
yes.
Okay.
It's okay, Mama. Be nice.
Oh yeah.
Good girl. You're a good girl.
It's going a little bit.
It's
okay.
Not much wax, just a little bit. I know. Yeah.
That feels good.
Yes. Yeah. I know.
It's usually the other ear is the one that she has me rub the most.
Mm-hmm.
She loves it, and she gets in there and just like leans into my hand and just rub her ear.
I tell husbands, well, how far down the list are you? As far as
Wrapped over my thigh, and I'm like, really?
you gotta make sure you're comfortable before they pop up there, huh?
Oh yeah, every time.
Good.
Make sure you got the remote, phone, and all that within arm's reach.
That one doesn't want to say anything.
You're fine,
Ears,
Mama.
ears,
It's
gums,
okay.
teeth, heart, lungs, everything sounds good, looks good.
It's
Yes.
okay.
I know it.
She's just roughly.
No. Huh? So you did that the right time, didn't you? Huh? That's all there is for you. Everybody's good till next year as far as vaccinations go.
Yay.
Always expensive.
It's okay, bud.
She found a pom-pom gun that shoots the little round pom-poms out.
Okay.
He loves that. She'll get one out, pop it across the room, he'll go chase it.
Yeah. Bring it back? Or?
No.
Hey, be nice. Drake, be nice.
Checking in your ears, bud. Relax.
Some people talk about, like say, milk. It's okay. I know.
Yeah,
It's okay. I know. Okay.
I
Drake,
got him.
It's okay.
I'd rather him claw me than.
Okay. All right. There's nothing there.
be nice,
Hey,
Drake.
it's Dad. Relax.
You have a sharp claw.
Yes. He's gonna listen to you.
I know it.
You and your growing.
I know it.
Be nice,
All
Baba.
right, bud. It's all right, Dad. Dad got you. We've done this before.
Be nice, Baba.
He's better off when Dad's holding him
Right. Because he knows you.
than. Mm-hmm. Oh, he'll still yell at me, but.
It's okay, huh? You feel your tummy? Oh, so you feel your tummy a little. I know it, yeah.
Hey.
Oh,
See, it's
I
good.
don't want to hear it.
Good gut activity, and we're not tense or tender, are we? Yeah.
Yeah, he's been doing a lot better with the urinations and stuff.
You.
It's all right.
Be a good boy. Hey.
Pause.
Drake, open.
Do this. I know. But tip your head up a little. Okay.
There. Hey, hey,
I
hey.
gotcha.
Okay, there we go.
I gotcha. You're all good. You're all good.
There's worse things in life. You just can't think what they are right now, can you?
Oops.
Yeah, okay. All right.
You're
Looks good,
okay.
sounds good with each.
You're okay, Baba.
Easy day today.
Alright.
We are done. Healthy baby again. You're so silly, baby. Baba. Hey. Your mom and mom and dad again. Silly boy. Yay. We got a calendar, so pretty. Very nice. There they are. We're going home now. They're done. And I'm a happy mom. Yay. So they got their wellness and deworming. There. Their wellness and deworming. And yeah. So they're good for another year. We are home from the bed. He keeps on meowing. You already know that we're home. Oh, hang on, baby. Go on, Dad.
Go.
Hang on, baby.
I got a
Go.
better grip of him than you do.
Yay. Think. Hang on, Mama. Hang on. Excited much? There she is. She already know. There
you go,
is Drake. Come on, bud. Get out.
There you go.
Out now. Good boy. Good girl, Mama. You already know your doctor, huh? Look how thin she is. Her leash or
Harness is tight.
harness is tight. You good, Mama? You okay? You want your milk now? They are good now, guys. Here is Drake. They are healthy again. They've been healthy and they're good for another year before they see the doctor again.
Yep.
Yes, Mama. Good babies. Now they want their treats. Here, Mama. Want this? Yes, I know. There you go. Lovely baby girl. Such a lovely baby girl.
You're okay.
They got treats
You did good.
and the greenies. Keep their tooth healthy. They got greenies and temptations. Come on, Baba. Go get your treats. Bud. Come here. Get your treats. Still mad at Mom. Alright.